Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete tasks in Todoist. Is your Todoist starting to feel cluttered with tasks you no longer need? Maybe you added test tasks, finished projects, or just want a cleaner workspace. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to delete tasks in Todoist step by step, whether you're on mobile or desktop, plus a few extra tips to manage your tasks more efficiently. Now, start by opening Todoist on your device. Once you're inside, go to your inbox or any project where your task is located. Scroll through your list and locate the task you want to delete. If you have many tasks, you can also use the search bar to quickly find it. Now, if you're using your phone, you can tap on Task to open it, then tap the three dots in the corner and select Delete Task. So, confirm the action. And another quick method, you can also swipe the task left or right depending on your settings to reveal the delete option. So this is the fastest way if you're clearing multiple tasks on your phone. On computer, you have a few options. So hover over the task. Now click the three dots at the right side. Once you click that, select delete. Or you can also right click and choose delete at the bottom. You can also open the task. So open the task details and delete it from there. So once you open it, you can click on the three dots and click on delete. So these options give you flexibility depending on how you like to manage tasks. You can delete tasks one by one using swipe or right click, or go through a project and remove unnecessary tasks in batches. So this is useful when you're resetting your workspace or starting fresh. Now, before you delete, keep this in mind. So, deleted tasks are usually permanent and you might not be able to recover them easily. Recurring tasks will also be removed completely, so double check before deleting anything important. If you still want a record of your task, it's better to mark it as completed instead of deleting. So, you can mark it as complete by right clicking on it and tap on Complete Recurring Task and tap on Complete or Complete Forever. So this keeps your history while still clearing your active task list. And that's how you can delete tasks in Todoist. Keeping your list clean helps you stay focused and productive. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.